Imagine you are in a huge office building, but instead of leaving all the doors wide open, each room has a lock and only the right person can get in. Sounds secure, right? Well, that's exactly what network segmentation does for your digital network. Welcome back to Orage Technologies. Let's break it down in simple terms. What is network segmentation? Network segmentation is the practice of dividing a large network into smaller, isolated, small networks called segments. Think of it as dividing your network into smaller rooms, each with its own security rules. This reduces the risk of cyber attacks spreading through the entire network. In simple terms, segmentation helps control traffic between different parts of your network and ensures that if one part is compromised, the damage does not spread through the whole system. Why is network segmentation important? Why should you care about network segmentation? Well, it adds an extra layer of defense. By isolating sensitive information systems or departments, you make it harder for attackers to move around your network freely. For example, if a hacker gets into one part of your network segmentation ensures they cannot just wander around through the rest of your system. How does network segmentation work? Here is how it works. You separate your network into different zones. These zones could be based on departments, services, or security needs. For example, finance might be one segment, HR could be another, public-facing services might be in a separate zone. 2. Once these segments are in place, traffic between them can be tightly controlled and monitored. You can even apply different security measures to each segment. Benefits of network segmentation. Here are the key benefits of using network segmentation. First, improved security. It limits access and makes it harder for attackers to move freely inside your network. Second, reduce impact of attacks. If a hacker breaches one segment, they cannot easily access the others. Third, better network performance. Segmentation can improve network efficiency by limiting unnecessary traffic between segments. Fourth, simplified compliance. It's easier to meet industry regulation by isolating sensitive data. Types of network segmentation. Let's look at a few ways to implement network segmentation. First, physical segmentation. Second, virtual segmentation. Third, application segmentation. Challenges of network segmentation. While segmentation offers many benefits, it also has a few challenges. First, setting up and managing segmentation can be tricky, especially for large networks. Second, more segmentation means more rules to manage and monitor. But don't worry, the right tools and strategies can help simplify the process. To sum it up, network segmentation is a smart way to increase security, limit the speed of attacks, and boost network efficiency. Whether you use physical, virtual, or application segmentation, dividing your network into smaller, isolated parts can provide powerful protection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on more cybersecurity tips. Drop a comment if you have any question about network segmentation. Thanks for watching.